Hello friends, today I'll show you how to PHP code writing inside the HTML. So let's start. Before start the work, you need to make sure run the local server. Then now I'm open the editor. I need to create the file. I'm just create the website.php HTML5. This is the HTML code. Now title will be like our website. This demo purpose. Now Asian hello world. Alright. Now need to run the code. Localhost PHP and website.php the hello world. Now if you want to code, there will be the PHP, I mean inside HTML. I'll write code PHP. So PHP echo title. Alright, now I can assign the variable title.
Power off.
Well, right. Now we can again reload here. Result will, I think result will be same, nothing else. Now if you want to code, we see just hello world, view search hello world, but not showing the PHP code, PHP syntax, our hello world assigned here, but our string just showing here because of it will be PHP, because I assigned the title and then PHP variable assign inside the HTML. So that's it. So thank you for the watching. Bye bye.